it's good snow to ski on.
Here's the other boot.
Can you compress this? Squeeze it.
Oh my God. Oh.
I need you to squeeze it
You have
hard.
your gloves?
Compress, please.
Hold on. You have your gloves, you have that. Here, you want to zip this up because you don't want to get all wet inside there.
Okay.
There you go. How about the cap?
A cap? Okay, I'll be right back. I gotta get it. I'm putting this back.
Oh, in my eyes. The yellow hat you stuffed too much.
Oh, wait, I have a good one.
I don't like my hood. Can you move this up? I noticed it.
There's a cart going. Don't get me full of snow, please. Miranda, could you stand still? I want to make sure if it's focusing. Yes, it is. Okay. Yeah, we need to get. Whoop!
What's stuck under me here?
Snow?
Look at that. It looks like we have a U-Haul on top.
Uh-oh. That car, if that snowfall comes again, it's gonna get stuck. He's just digging a hole. Smells like burning rubber now.
Yeah, okay. Turn it, turn it. There you go. Perfect. Uh-oh.
No. Oh, it really smells like burning rubber.
Yeah, it does. I don't know. Too much snow.
Is it because I'm stuck here or is it because...
Well, over there, I think it's because there's eyes in it.
What's that?
Should I pour snow in there?
Maybe I need to dig
Yeah, let's do that.
out this so I can back up a little.
Let's pour some snow back in this.
No, that's not gonna help.
So let me dig the back of it.
You could. You never know.
Yeah, I think we need to dig out the back. Oh, shit. Yeah, can you get the shovel?
Okay. Here, Miranda. What day's today? Today's New Year's Day. No. Yeah. New Year's Eve. Today's New Year's Eve.
Today's the 30th?
31st.
Dad, what day is it? New Year's Eve and Christmas Eve. How weird.
Okay, over here, Miranda. Okay. Way down here. Gotta get out of the way. There you go. Over here, carajo.
It snowed 3 feet in the last day and a half.
I think it's more like 4 feet.
When we came up here, there was not much snow at all.
Well, I measured by the little storage room behind the cabin.
Yeah.
That was probably about 4.5 feet today.
When we came up here, the roads were, on Monday, the roads were dry, and there was maybe a foot, maybe 6 inches of snow by the side of the road.
That's the Truckee River. Well, we can't see it. That's where we went to, there's a rattlebird. And then there's Miranda back there. But she's into her Game Boy.
How's the rattlebird? Is she rattling?
She's falling asleep.
Really?
Yeah.
Doesn't mind rattling much?
I think it might be that her brain can't take it.
Why don't you go with... I need to fix that windshield wiper in back.